Congratulations on your hair restoration journey. I'm very excited for you and look forward to seeing you in my office. When you arrive in the morning for your procedure, we're going to fit you with a nice smock. We're going to bring you into the ARTAS treatment room, and behind me is where you're going to have the entire procedure performed. That's the ARTAS iX technology and the ARTAS iX bed, where you're going to lie, where we're going to remove hairs from your donor area and transfer them to the recipient area. During the procedure, we're going to do all the necessary trimming to prepare your scalp for the procedure, so there's really not much for you to have to do or worry about. What I want to ask you to do is to make sure that before the procedure, you have a light breakfast, keep yourself well hydrated. For 2 days before the procedure, avoid taking any aspirin, Advil, and avoid alcohol consumption. We'll take care of everything else and look forward to joining you in your hair restoration journey.